Hi friends! Welcome back to Happy Art for Kids. Today we're coloring Snow White. We're going to bring her to life using some bright art markers and make her extra festive for the season. Let's get started. Look at how beautiful Snow White looks with her Christmas hat. I hope you had fun coloring her with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.